you are also part of an executive leaders club. So
Yes.
how has been your experience there?
It's a very fantastic. To be frank, it's a refreshing MBA for me. I already done my MBA in Bhubaneswar in KIT University. It's a very refreshing for me. And there are three critical aspects, three USPs, unique selling propositions, which I perceive is that one is that conceptually it is not uh, very complicated. The very basic funda is that how you fit into the very simple concept your real life problems, because MBA case studies are far different than the real life problems which everybody which everybody face day in day out. Then second one is that you will have a interaction with variety of people, yeah, per se, variety of problems also, variety of scenarios, variety of problems. Then third thing is that all the things are available whenever you want to retrieve it. Say Q&A sessions, conceptual sessions, and any other you want to see it again, you can retrieve it anytime. So that is the very three USPs for ELC. It's a best investment to make yourself in your lifetime. Once you enrolled, your career is taken care. You no need to see any video, no need to follow anybody. You just follow the process and stick to that. It will give you results immediately. And I often regret that if I would have been joined this 4 years 5 years before, I would have saved my 5 year of career. I would have been landed somewhere else right now. So that is the confidence I got from the ELC. I assure you that you no need to think twice on ELC. Go for it, you will get the value for it.
Thank you very much.
Only
Thank
thing
you
is
for
your
this word.
intent into that. You should be available. You should be coachable. That's the only thing.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you very much for that words.